Hello everybody, welcome to Ankara Nation Online Training. My name is Lizzie. On this channel, I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara accessories. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you! Today, we are on the making of our Ankara neck choker. These are the materials I will be using. Ankara material, soft leather. This is the same leather we use for our Ankara slippers. Fastener, we also call it press button. UHUgum, needle and thread, scissors to cut, tape rule. Now, remember we are making a neck choker. Measure the size of your neck and add 2 inches to it. Like this one, I've already cut out. This is the size of my neck. This is a soft leather. This is the length of my neck. Then my width is 1 inches. Depending on how you want your neck choker to look like on your neck, that's the width you cut out from your material, from your soft leather. Now on your material, cut out the same length you cut out on your soft leather on your material and add 1 inch to it, to the both end. That means you add 1 inch to this side, 1 inch here, 1 inch here, and 1 inch here, because we'll be wrapping our soft leather inside the Ankara material. Now what you do next, pick your UHUgum and add it to your soft leather. Add your UHUgum. After adding your UHUgum to your soft leather, this is the front of your material and this is the back. Turn it to the back. Place your soft leather on it so that you can get your inches, the inches you cut out from your material. Turn it. Use your hand to smoothen it. Now turn it to the other side like this. You want to fold in. Add your gum to this edge. Add your gum here as well. Fold in your material like this. After folding this edge, now we'll be folding the other side in. This is how you'll be folding. Add a little gum to this side of your material. Fold it in like this. After folding in like this, you'll be wrapping it like this on your soft leather. That's the same way you fold this one too. You fold this side like this and fold it on your soft leather. This is how it will look like. It will look like this. So you add your gum to gum it together to look like this. After adding gum, gum your material in like this. Use your hand to smoothen it. After gumming, this is how your neck choker will look like this. Now, remaining this edge, we'll use fastener on it. Put one of your fastener on this edge. Put the other one on this edge. Use it to measure your neck so that you get where to sew your fastener. Now we'll use needle and thread to sew our fastener. You use your needle and thread to sew your fastener to your Ankara neck choker. This is how your Ankara neck choker will look like. You already sew the fastener. This is how it will look like. Now, our neck choker is ready. But as a professional, you can use your stone to design it. These are stones. You just add your UHUgum and start gumming them on it like this. You can write your name. You can put whatever design you like on the choker. That's what. After adding stone, this is how your Ankara neck choker will look like. This is how Ankara neck choker will look like on your neck. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Ankara Nation. Thanks for watching.